Today's video, very quick. We're just going to see just how far the Cigman laser level can reach out in pulse mode with our Dovo laser receiver. We're going to see just how far that laser signal will reach. Let's dive right in. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Prepare for your sanity. This is the shack. Hello everybody, welcome back to the shack. I'm on site today. I'm actually, well, so the sun doesn't get you, I'm actually doing something today. I'm security for an event. So I'm just kind of walking around out here. As you see here, I have the laser level set up. I did have it set up way down there, but we couldn't get any reading because the sun's right in the way. So I brought it here, and we're going to go that way with the sun to our back, and we're going to see just how far we can get this laser level or the laser beam to reach out. So let's just get started. This is going to be short and sweet. I moved from there to here. I walked it off, and I'm about 307 feet. So I can get at least 300 feet out of this. We'll see how she works now. So let me turn this back on again. Turn that on. It's leveling. My okay, top's on. Turn off the side. And all four of these are off, so the only one on is right there. You can see the top laser is on. All right, we'll try this again. So I was at 307 feet to here. Zero that out. Kickstand up. So we'll start from right here, and we'll go out 100 feet and see if I get a better reading. Let me grab this, and we'll walk off 300, or walk off 100 feet. 90, 98, 99, 100. Kickstand down, as you see, this way. Hopefully you can see that. At 100 feet and 100 point, almost 2. Whoops. You see the laser's right there. It's about my waist height, so I should be able to, sorry about that, I gotta put my glass on. So I should be able to get it to register about right around here. Oh, you know what? I forgot to turn on pulse mode. Set that down. I go back up, put this on pulse mode. I'll just fast forward everything in between to make it go quicker, but I want you to see that I'm not editing this at all. Okay, pulse mode now. Does make a difference. Okay, try this again. Ugh. Let's see, we're about 100 feet right there. And I'll leave it there. Come on, I gotta see what I'm looking at. There we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Now we're reading it. Gotta go down. Gotta go down. It's gotta go up. Right there. So we are reading it. See, it does make a difference. We're not facing the sun. It's much, much easier. Okay, so we're good at 100 feet. All right, I had to tighten that up. So we're at 100 feet. It's reading it. So if I go up, down, I can't go down because I have to unloosen it. There we go, right there. Oh yeah, perfecto. Okay, good enough. We read it. So now, oh shit, I just zeroed it out by accident. That's okay. So we'll go another 100 feet. I was wanting to put the brake on so it wouldn't move. I zeroed it out by accident. See, zeroed it out. So we got another 100 feet. Nice. Okay, brake on. 100 feet. Hope you can read that. Brake. Put this down so it doesn't move. Let me get it this way. Right there. Hopefully 100. You can see 100 feet. 100.1. All right. 100.1. Set this right here. And we'll see. Oh, there it is. I think I got to go up a little bit. Unloosen that. Oh, I should have bought my other tripod to hold the camera. Well, let me just raise it up. Oh, right there it is. Got to go up, down, up. So I'm going to have to loosen this up. One hand sucks, dude. Oh, sorry. I gotta raise it up by hand. Okay, gotta go up a little bit more. Raise this up by hand. Right there, I'm dead level. I'm even with the laser beam. Right there. 200 feet, we're still good. All right, tighten that down. I won't zero it out this time by accident. I'm gonna put my brake on. That zeroes it. Lift this up. We'll go another 100 feet. The best I can through there. I am at. Ooh, look at that. I'd stopped right at 200.3, 0.3, I think. I can't, my glasses. Yeah, 200 point. Oh, this is in the way. Oh my God. Sorry about all that. Damn it. 200.3. I don't know if you can see that good or not. Anyway, we put the kickstand down here. That's 200.3. So we are at 300.3 feet. Set this here. All right, see where we can see the. Let's see, this literally goes up quite a ways, so I'm about right here. Oh, right there it was. Well, should be right here somewhere. Well, there we go. Oh. "300 feet, it's catching it, but not very good. It should be about right here. I should be catching it. There it goes. No, I'm gonna go up. See, it's not getting a very good. I could turn it either way and make sure it's getting the face, make sure it's facing the laser good. And either way, I'm not getting a good signal at 300 feet. Can't get the arrow to stay on. It's not, doesn't have a strong enough signal to receive it. It could be right there somewhere. There we go. Nope. Nope. Can't get it to do anything at 300 feet. Well, let's go back 50 feet then. Maybe 250 is about the max. We're going to zero it out. We're going to go back 50 feet. Well, let's do 25, so we're at 275. We'll go every 25 feet just to see if this gets any better, and we can really determine where our mark is. Okay, we definitely got a better signal at 275. Spin it to make sure it's facing the laser real good. And we lost it again. There it is, but it won't. Down. Nothing. Go up. No. Let's go 25 more feet. Okay. 50 feet, so we're at 250 now. See if this thing does any better. 250 right here. Already shows a better signal on the arrows. Okay, drop it down, drop it down. Come on. Up. Go up, up. Oh man, it's very, very picky. Down. Oh, up. Wow. 250. I can get better signal for the arrow, but I can't get the straight line at 250. Nope. Still can't get a solid line. I barely did, but it won't stay. Nope. Let's do 25 more feet, so maybe 225 is our limit. 50, we'll do 75 feet now. So it'll be 225, our total distance. 60, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, come on. Hard to do this with one hand doing all this. Okay, you see right there, I'm at 75 feet. I think I can get it in there somewhere, 75 feet. All right, so actually we're behind a tree right here. Be able to see this real good. Got a strong signal, strong signal, strong signal. Nope. Oh. Right there. Man, 225 is about the max. I can, very sensitive, but I can get the bar right there. Very, very sensitive. Right there, 225, boom. Yep. So right there I'm at 225 and I can barely get it. Probably go another 25 feet will be good, but at least I'm getting in at 225, and I think that's about our limit. But at least we got the bar to show up finally. Right there. 225, that's our limit. Well, not as far as I was hoping, but at least you get, I would say 200 feet is probably the max. As you saw, 225 feet, we got the level mark, but it was A little bit finicky, but not bad. But anything past that, it just wasn't picking it up good enough. I think it's safe to say that 200 feet is probably the max on this. And that's in bright daylight out here in the sun. So that's it for this video. The Cigman Laser level gets out about 200 feet in pulse mode. Depending on your need, this may fit your bill. So we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back check for your sanity. I got to get back to doing my security duties. So we will see you next video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Trying to get the algorithm back up. Unfortunately, I did a few things. I had like 4 videos deleted, and because of my thoughts on my patriotic freedoms, I'm getting squashed right now. I would normally get 1,000 plus. I'm lucky if I get 100 plus views on my videos now. They've really squashed me. So please subscribe, or at least make a comment, share, do something to kick this algorithm up so I can get back up to my normal viewership. Okay, thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.